Who am I? Ew, there's like a crack in the ceiling. What the mother of f***? Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to this tutorial and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I have been like posting consistently. As I said in my last video, everything's been very up in the air. With moving, we moved in here about, was it 2 days ago? This is our like third day here. So there's still shit everywhere. It's just been a lot more stressful than I thought it was going to be. But anyway, all I wanted to do today was just sit down and film. Regardless of this room being a mess, my makeup is still in bags, it's still a bit of a disaster. But I told myself last night, I don't care, I'm filming. Whatever, I'll spend the rest of the day organising this makeup room and whatever else needs to be done. But all I wanted to do was just like get back into it, start filming. So this is the first tutorial I decided to do. I just went with these like nice soft peachy tones, but we smoked it up with some darker shadow underneath and a wing liner, add some lashes. But yeah, I thought this would be a cute little Valentine's date look. If you want to see this whole look come together, then please keep watching. I'm going to start off and use some of the Tatcha beauty oil. So I'm just going to use this to just like hydrate my skin. By the way, I'm missing like 3 nails since moving. I'm like 2 on this hand and 1 on this hand, so don't judge me too harshly. I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Just put a light layer of this on. Foundation combo that I've been using lately and really liking is the Makeup Forever HD stick, and then on top I put a little bit of Born This Way over it. So just put this on like normal. This is the shade Y245. And then this is light beige in the Too Faced Born This Way, so I just put a pump out onto my brush and then just blend it on the skin. So my makeup room right now is legit like a bomb site. There's makeup just in bags and boxes all over the room. I'm like here in the corner just to film. Just until I set my regular setup, until I sort that out. Moving is not fun. It's really not fun. Like I was looking forward to it, but I think it's because like we went home for a holiday and the minute we came home, like the next day we started to move. I have like had no chance to even breathe, to be honest. Like the last 3 weeks have been like the most stressful 3 weeks of my life, and I've been so stressed out because I wasn't able to work properly, I wasn't able to film. Oh my god, it's just been the worst. So I'm just like slowly like trying to get myself back into it because fuck, it's no joke being so stressful. Yeah, so I'm just trying to get back into the swing of things and just becoming myself again. So I just decided this morning when I got up, I don't care, my makeup room is in such a mess, I'm gonna film, I'm gonna make a video, I'm just gonna get my uploads, like get them back on track again. I'll probably spend the rest of the afternoon like organising here. I have a few Alex drawers to build, and I'm just gonna use my Shape tape. So yeah, I just really wanna just get back into it, like just get back to myself again, like oh. Like as much as I love this job and I would never give it up, it's extremely stressful, especially when like you have other things going on in your life. Like usually my work goes ahead of everything, I work all the time, but just the past few weeks just have really thrown me off, like being home and then moving. Like I really just haven't had time to sit down and film and do what I needed to do, and honestly it's been causing me so much anxiety. I hate it. Like I hate not being able to do what I need to do. So that's why I decided today, Monday, first thing, sit down and just film. Whatever the state of anything else is, just fucking film. So I'm happy now. As I said, I'm just going to spend the rest of the afternoon. This is just a Tarte brush. Again, it's a dirty one. What are you going to do? So I'm just going to, yeah, spend the afternoon building my IKEA, or building the Alex drawers so I can put all my makeup away. My boyfriend's good, he'll help me build all that. Yeah, just start getting things away. Like yesterday we went to Home Sense and Structube, and we just went to a few like furniture places and just like picked up some like new things to hang on the wall and Just all those little types of things to kind of make the place feel a bit like home. Because you know, when you're in a brand new place, it's weird, like everything's just different. So it's just like about me getting used to my new surroundings again. But it's great because the place is so much bigger. So I have my own space to do my makeup. This is just the next to nothing I'm going to set underneath my eyes and then around the T-zone. So yeah, I just have like my own space to do my makeup in here in peace and like not have my shit out in the living area in the kitchen like it was in my old place. I'm going to use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and this brush is a E14 brush from Morphe. I'm just kind of doing around the cheekbones and that, and then I'll dust it around the forehead and just kind of anywhere just to bronze the skin nicely. And now grabbing a little bit of Hoola, and just with the same brush, I'm just going to use the corner of the brush and just kind of carve out my cheekbones. Just gives that a little bit more of a hollowed effect. So I'm just quickly doing my brows with Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Taupe. And the brush I'm using is the Marc Jacobs brush, and there's no number or anything on it, but it's just a small little angled brush. I'm just going to start by underneath the brow and get a nice clean shape underneath. And I'm going to kind of start doing the shape above too, parallel to the bottom line. And then just connect like the end of the brow. Is that what you call this part? Yeah. Just connect the end. Then you can just go in and fill in any gaps. So now I'm just going to start to flick some little hairs up and just like draw some little pretend hairs on. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to prime my lids using Shape Tape Concealer. All my other eye bases are packed away still, so I'm just going to use this concealer as my eye base, and I'm just going to set it with MAC Next to Nothing powder. This just helps set the eye primer, and then shadows will blend a lot easier on top. So I'm taking this Sassy Siennas palette from Dose of Colours and going in with the shade Stay Sassy. Gonna start blending this in, but as you see, I make a big mess of this because I never banged the excess off the brush and I made a mess. So I just got my concealer brush, cleaned up the underneath, and then I'm going in with a bigger fluffy brush. This is a Morphe brush, I'm not sure the number, but I'll link it below. And I'm just going in and blending all this out, as you can see. So I just keep blending, blending, blending. And then I went in with the same colour again and just working a bit more of that through the crease. Next shade I'm taking is Foxy, and with the smaller brush, this is a Marc Jacobs brush, just working this into the crease, just packing on the colour and building it up. And then I'm just going to blend that out again with the big Morphe fluffy brush. So this just helps kind of, using the bigger fluffy brush will help get everything really seamless. And with the last shade here, this is Also Sassy, just a deeper brown, going in with the same brush and right into the crease again. For my liner, I'm using the Tarteist liquid liner from Tarte, and we're just going in here and doing a wing liner. I wasn't sure whether to do a liner or not, but then, you know, things just happen. And in with the shade Brassy, we're just going to buff this all underneath the eye, and then taking Also Sassy on just like a small little kind of tapered angle brush, just going right into the lash line just to smoke that out a little bit. And now the liner I'm using is a Marc Jacobs liner called Pink of Me, so it just has that really soft hint of pink. And now I'm just going in with Light Camera Lashes mascara from Tarte. So the lashes I'm wearing are Velour lashes in the style Whispie Sweet Nothings. So they're not too long or too thick, that kind of takes away from the eye look. I just think these are the right perfect length for this look. My poor Ofra highlight. This was the result of moving. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this Ofra highlight and I'm going to use this just to highlight the inner corners. It's just kind of going to add a little bit of brightness to the eyes and just like open it up a little bit more. I'm just going to mix both of these shades together and just go over the lid area. Yeah, I think that's better. It's a bit more peachy. Otherwise it was, I don't know, there was just something that wasn't working for me. But now it's just more on the peachier side. If you want me to do like a more of a daytime Valentine's Day look, let me know, because I know this maybe like a bit too much for some people to wear, like if they were going on a day date. So if you want to do maybe a really soft glam Valentine's Day, let me know, because I would definitely be happy to do one of those as well. This one was supposed to be more of a softer one, but that didn't happen clearly. I'm just gonna add a smidge more bronzer, because I always say this, but I feel like after I do my eyes, I feel like my face isn't bronzed enough to kind of go with it, and it's probably because I don't have my tan done either that I feel even more pasty. Okay, I just found a random blush just there, and this is a Tarte blush called Royal. And then using some of the Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive highlight, we're going to just do our cheekbones. I like to do up around like the high points of the forehead as well, so when the light hits, just kind of bounces off that area too. Now we have another struggle of looking for a lipstick to do. So I'm going to line my lips using a pencil from NYX. This is in the shade Nude Beige. And the lipstick I'm using is the Maybelline Gigi Hadid lipstick. And this is in the shade Tora. And I'm just going to add some gloss on top. This is the Amazing Gloss from MUFE Cosmetics. And now I'm just going to add some of the Too Faced 3-in-1 Hangover spray. So that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you like this look that we came up with. I hope it gave you some inspiration for Valentine's Day. And as I said, I'd be happy to do a soft daytime Valentine's Day look. Just let me know if that's something you would want to see. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the love. Thank you for being patient with me while I was moving and getting set up. Let's get these tutorials rolling. Anyway, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one.